Hello.
Who is this?
Who am I? Who
Crazy.
am I? Who am I?
Right. Welcome on the another IGTV, and I'm so honored to have with me like Winnie Huang.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Vancouver.
Yeah, we are now in Vancouver, but all the time you are watching this video, we are maybe not there anymore.
Probably not.
Probably not. This is really sad.
Because we're magic, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the magic, and I don't know when I will see you.
Well,
again.
it better be soon.
God, it better be soon. So I asked Winnie, because we are in her town, to have some, because she's amazing and she's a nail celebrity.
No.
Yeah, she's a nail celebrity.
Stop it.
If you don't stop it, for real, follow her. The first time you need to follow her at
Winnie is awesome.
in Instagram, also
Yes.
on YouTube channel
Yes.
and Facebook. Are you too
I
young?
am. I'm too young for Facebook.
Oh, Facebook, it's 2008. 2008. Yeah, me, I'm older. Then I'm older.
I think we're the same age.
Yeah.
But anyway, you can find me anywhere. If you find me on Winnie is Awesome on Instagram, you'll be able to get the link to everything else.
Yeah, she's ambassador of C&D. Ambassador, you're the first. You're the no.
No, there's been a lot of awesome
Yeah.
ambassadors, and
But-
right now, currently, I think Marion Newman is
Yeah.
one of our favorite brand
And-
ambassadors.
in Europe.
Yes.
In Europe. Yeah, people don't know that. I don't know. But you're not America. You're the star here for C&D. You're the star. Like, and right,
Stop it.
She don't like it. So, and you make a lot of tutorial video, and you can learn a lot from Winnie. I work with her in Fashion Week, and she has so awesome tips and tricks to give us, and I really love to hear what she's saying. So I prepare some questions for her. Yes, because I want to know, because I feel you are special and you have a high level of creativity.
Oh.
Yeah, high level of creativity, and it's hard for the people to find her way.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to know how you find your way and how you can be inspired by something. How you process it.
Yeah, so I mean, creativity is something you definitely cannot force. So the more you want it, the harder it is for it to come to you.
That's so true.
I know.
That's so
and the
true.
most important part is don't be so hard on yourself. If you don't have anything to come up with for nail art, you just don't, and just feel it out. And
Wow. Yeah, that's so simple.
Yeah.
But also
Well,
at the same time, it so makes sense for me.
just take
I
it
know.
easy, because I know as artists, we're often really hard on ourselves.
Yeah.
And we're like, oh, that doesn't look right. I don't know if I should be doing that. But I think the best advice I could give is to just try, just play. It doesn't matter whether it's the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it. The most important thing is that you're doing it, right? And so that's how I get my inspiration. Like, I would go for a walk and be like, hey, this leaf on the ground looks great. I think I'm going to make a nail inspired by that.
So you take a picture?
No,
No,
inspiration is everywhere. Like, look at this room. That's a nail right there, the color block. So it could be anything, in your everyday life. So
Yeah.
don't take it so seriously. Play, try new things, and just be you, really.
Just be you, yeah.
Be you,
Because a
really.
lot of people, like, all the time copying some stuff, and it's block her to find herself, like, because you're just copying. And why if I'm just copying Winnie, why I will wants to, a lot of the people wants to come with me. They want Winnie. They don't want me. So you need to find your way. But it's good. So it's to be observative.
And really
observe everything.
Yeah, and try to ask yourself what makes you special. Actually, there's absolutely nothing wrong with trying other people's nail art tricks and tips and tricks.
No.
That is because you're trying to find yourself in that process, and that's totally okay. So there's no right way or wrong way in doing things when it comes to nail art. Obviously, sanitary reasons, you have to keep that in mind, but just play.
Just play, yeah. Have fun in the process.
Yes, that's
and don't be too rude on you. And you know when I try something too, when I try something, I always say, oh my god, I don't like it. I take a picture, and the other day I said, oh, why I'm so rude with me? It's like nice, right? Yeah, it's depend of your mind, like you exactly too. So don't be too rude because you just rude.
You gotta root for yourself, man. Yeah. You gotta be your number one fan.
Your number one fan. Oh, thank you, Winnie. This is really nice. Thank you so much to have this really kind word, simple, and easy. Yeah. So be confident and try everything. So see you next time.
We love you.
Bisous, bisous. Bye.